Hello, I just had a really bad cold. You can still hear some congestion in my voice, I think. Um, the worst part was the cough, the dry cough afterwards. And I tried everything. This tickly cough mixture. I tried a vapor inhaler. In any case, nothing really worked as well as uh, this. This is an old one. It's called moxa. Um, I'll show you how you light it. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, there you go. You light it on a candle flame until it gets red. And then you apply it underneath your belly button. It's like a little warm cigar. Apply it underneath your belly button for 1 minute.